At the end of a long driveway in Hinsdale, New Hampshire, lies a place surrounded by forests and fences, housing a local couple and their flock. Nearly 4 dozen birds.
Last winter I had 50 birds. This year we have 40 plus the emus.
44 to be exact. Ducks, geese, and 4 emus. Or as Cindy and Dave Renaud, the owners of this funny farm, like to joke, velociraptors.
We saw the signs and said, well, that'll be cool to put them up, and people, if they come down there, they'll take notice of the sign that says they just see danger first.
But danger is the last word that comes to mind when it comes to their loving pets.
It's pretty cool, you know. You sit there and he'll come around you, and even if when you're sitting in a chair, they'll come around, they'll put their head on your shoulders and stuff like that, and you pet them, and it's pretty cool.
It's all fun and games for their 4 emus and young peeps of their own.
They've never had any aggression or anything towards the kids. And the kids, they love it, because they'll run and the emus are chasing them. Once they got used to it, they're not after them, they're just running with them, and they love it.
It's the Renaud's very own nest. And since 2013, they've been adding to their own slice of bird and human haven. In all, Dave and Cindy own 7 Jamaica Cottage Shop buildings. They help provide warmth, cover, and protection for all of their feathered friends. They say it was as simple as making a few changes of their own, like linoleum flooring for easier cleanup and fencing to keep predators out.
Making the changes is super simple.
Cindy says it all started with her very own she shed.
My quilt camp is what started it all. It's fabulous. Sometimes I'll leave the door open and the geese and the ducks will come around, you know, and I'll talk to them, they talk to me. It's just nice to be able to shut the door and go in the house, or say, I just need some me time. What happens at quilt camp stays at quilt camp is what it says on my window.
The Renauds have a mix of fully assembled buildings and pre-cut kits they assembled themselves. They say the process was pretty straightforward.
It just gets bigger and bigger, and we just really enjoy it. We love the buildings, as you can see. Free delivery is not a bad thing either.
Cindy and Dave say it's just the beginning of their tale as they continue to expand their funny farm for their next flock. Build or order your own cottage or shed at our facility in South Londonderry, Vermont, or online at JamaicaCottageshop.com.